You cutting it.
Okay. Yes, sir. Which device are we?
Cut all the way through.
Can we
Try
go?
not to seesaw. All right, try to just do firm pressure all the
You
way
didn't
through.
cut it right.
If you seesaw, it's gonna get a little jagged, a little messy.
Let me finish it.
Oh, look at the Arbor Vitae. Look, that Arbor Vitae. Lateral sulcus.
Look at the cerebral. I gotta take a picture of that.
Will you send them to me?
Yeah, I got you. It's a little weird because I think that when I cut meat, you know, I'll end up that simple. They ain't handling that thing.
Best bet for early trimming.
Ooh. Let me see the top of the eyeball.
Damn, we haven't even got to it.
No, with the circle part, the black part. Ooh, look. Ooh, my God.
Looking right at you, girl. Like, hey, baby, let me take you to dinner.
Hey, baby.